Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff, and today I'm gonna show you how to camo wrap this car in a cheaper way. So it cost me like $75 to do all of this, and it's pretty easy. It just take me the whole day, but stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I got some spare wrap here. So I got some black one, white one, and some gray ones over there. So yeah, and I kind of bought like 1 2 3 4 more. So that's like this one's kind of like a 2 feet by 5 feet. So I think it's gonna be enough for that car. So let's wrap it up. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the logo. So I guess I'm gonna like cut straight and then just follow some pattern right there and right there and probably right there. So I got the white one here and I got the colors. So what I'm gonna do is that probably I'm gonna start in here. I'm just gonna start in the top here. So this one is the straight one, so it's good for the next to the logo. So let's see. Okay. Just be careful cutting on it. Alright, so I did my first cut, so I'm gonna put it there. So it's gonna be like that, all the way there. So I'm gonna be okay so far. White one. So I'm just gonna like start cutting and adding some blacks here, I guess, around here. So yeah. Well, so far so good. It's getting there, and I kinda like it though. So it's only the driver's side for now, and I have a little bit on the hood, so it's getting there. It's getting there. So I'm gonna make a random shape here with this black one. So I gotta I don't know what you call this. So let's see. You're gonna need a really sharp blade to do this, so it can cut clean. There. Then ta-da! So this I'm gonna put it here because there's no black in this area yet. So yeah.
So I'm pretty much done. The only thing is that I ran out of vinyl wrap, so I cannot wrap the top and the pillar there. So oh yeah, that's my 33-inch tire. I'm gonna fit it right now here, so it's gonna look good with those big tires with the wraps. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the result. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm pretty much done with the wrap. So yeah, I like it though. And I put the 33-inch tire on my car. That's gonna be pretty soon, so it's gonna be more awesome. So yeah, so but anyway, I hope this video helped you if you want, just in case you're gonna do this. And it's pretty easy though, so it just take your time. For me, it take me the whole day to finish this up. So yeah, so I'm really happy at the result though. So don't forget to subscribe, so to inspire me to do more this kind of videos. So I see you next time guys, so peace out.